Say it, in English. Present perfect. Present perfect is a verb tense. What's a verb tense? Verb tenses are grammatical categories that indicate the time when an action takes place. The present perfect tense is used for finished actions that have relevance to the present. We also use it for actions that started in the past and continue into the present. Let's break down the usage of this tense. Actions that happened at an unspecified time before now. For example, I have visited France. This action was completed in the past, but it's important or relevant to the present moment. To talk about life experiences without specifying when they happened. For example, she has traveled to many countries. To describe past actions that have present consequences. For example, I have lost my keys, and now I can't get into my apartment. The result is that I cannot open the door now. And to mention achievements up to the present moment. For example, scientists have discovered a new planet. Changes over time are ongoing developments, started in the past and relevant now. For example, he was very insecure before, but he has become more confident over time. Continuing situations. For example, they have lived here for 10 years. This started in the past and continues up to the present. To form the present perfect, we use have or has plus past participle of the verb. We use have with I, you, we, and they. And has with he, she, and it. And then we add the past participle of the verb. Past participle has two forms, regular and irregular. Regular is formed by adding ed to the base form of the verb. For example, past participle of walk is walked. Play will change to played. And talk is talked. Irregular is formed by changing the verb in a non-standard way. For example, past participle of the verb go is gone. Write will change to written. And eat is eaten. Look at these examples. They have traveled to many countries. She has broken her foot. Here is the short form of have and has, and how we connect them to the subject. I've, you've, we've, and they've. She's, he's, and it's. We've started our meeting. She's moved to a new apartment. The fish has swum all day. The train has left the station. Let's learn about just, already, since, and for in relation to the present perfect tense. Just is an adverb. It indicates that something happened very recently. It's placed between the auxiliary verb have or has and the past participle. For example, I have just finished my homework. Already is an adverb. It indicates that something happened sooner than expected or before now. It's typically placed between the auxiliary verb have or has and the past participle, but can also be placed at the end of the sentence for emphasis. For example, she has already seen that movie. She has seen that movie already. Since can be a conjunction, also a preposition. It specifies the starting point of an action that continues up to the present. As a preposition, since comes between a present perfect sentence and the time reference. For example, I have lived here since 2010. As a conjunction, since comes between a present perfect sentence and a clause. For example, I have lived here since I moved to the countryside. For is a preposition. It indicates the duration of an action that continues up to the present. It's placed after the present perfect sentence. For example, I have had this car for 10 years. Look at these examples. We have known each other since childhood. She has read the book before. She's just finished her homework. They've already eaten dinner. We've already seen the movie. I've lived in this house since 2010. He's finally completed the marathon. Time to practice. Great! I have just heard the news. Good job! Jake has already eaten dinner. That's it. I've recently started a new job. Well done. We've met each other before. Great! She has studied since morning. You got it. We've waited for the bus for 15 minutes. This is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the future progressive tense. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to practice what you've learned today. If you have any questions or need more practice, leave a comment below. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.